In this video, I'm going to show you a small but significant piece in your Shure SM7B setup that will make it look so much better. This will be a quick video. I'm going to get right to the point. A common design flaw in the SM7B setup is that the XLR cable is a little bit awkward in its placement because where it is right next to the little mechanism that connects to your arm makes it so that in most situations when you connect the SM7B to your studio arm, it bends the XLR cable back. It becomes a problem. So most people put an extender here, but the problem with that is most of them look awful. They're the wrong color, they don't match the mic, they're too thin, it just looks awkward and weird. I've never liked it. So I have found an answer to this problem, and it's this little cylinder that comes straight from Shure. It totally matches all the hardware on the SM7B, and it's a little $8 piece. It's just a little extender, and I'll have a link to this below in the description. But basically, this $8 piece solves this problem and ensures that you can have your SM7B extended from your arm so that your XLR cable doesn't have to bend and everything looks exactly like it's supposed to look. I'm going to put it on there and show you what it looks like, and then you can grab it in the link below. And there you have it. Now I've got my mic and it's extended properly. There's nothing blocking the XLR cable. It's able to flow exactly like it needs to right along this cylinder, and everything looks and feels awesome. So you might be wondering how to set up the rest of your SM7B, including connecting it to your arm and the audio interface and the cloud lifter, all the cables and everything you need to make it work and hook up to your computer and use in your software. I'm going to show you all of that in this video right here. So just click right there and I'll see you in that video.